What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this Bitcoin price action right here and how this could be meaning we will hit this important level of support in the next coming hours. What does this mean for the Bitcoin price? Should you be waiting for a bounce from this position all the way up to here before a huge Bitcoin breakout? Or are the bears going to take control? Are we going to see a dip down below this support? Are we going to break it and hit this target down here of $34,000? I'm going to be talking about that in today's video. Also, we'll be taking a look at Ethereum as well, how Ethereum could also be coming down to this level of support, and if we break this, it could be catastrophic for Ethereum. We could see $1,500 Ethereum. So I'm going to be talking about that in today's video. As always guys, go ahead and follow me on Twitter if you haven't already, at CryptoJack. Make sure you're following the verified account so you're not getting caught with scams. Also, I'm posting great tweets over there about NFTs I'm purchasing, about potential trades I'm entering, good altcoins, so go ahead and join me over on Twitter. As always guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. If you haven't already slapped that like button, then definitely do so, as it really helps out the channel for the algorithm. Also, if you're new around here, first of all, a huge, massive, warm welcome. And second of all, scroll down, hit subscribe, and then tick that notification bell so you stay notified about my upcoming videos. So let's dive headfirst into these charts and see exactly what is going on. Because if we take a look at the hourly chart, it looks like we had an exact Bart Simpson breakout right here. Look at this. We came up, we saw sideways action like so, and we dumped straight back down. Now this is exactly the Bart Simpson breakout. When we just go straight up, we come back down, and then we remain basically where we were before. Doesn't that look a lot like Bart Simpson? Now, I'm no artist, however, it is a good analysis, I must say so myself. This is definitely not the best predicament for Bitcoin. I did think, and many other people thought, we were going to come up here and at least test this level right here, but instead we have in fact formed a lower high, which definitely isn't ideal for the Bitcoin price. We can see right here we're quite clearly formed a lower high. Now, what does this mean for the Bitcoin price? Well, it's not necessarily all doom and gloom, though we didn't in fact test this price target right here of around about $43,000. We did wick up to around about 42,650, which definitely is fairly close. However, it's going to be very, very dependent right now on this level of support right here at around about $37,000, $38,000 if we are going to hold this or if we are going to break it. If we break this level of support right here, we could see a dump in the Bitcoin price down to at least $34,000. So if we were to trade this down to there with a type stop loss of around about 2 to 3%, it will be a fairly good risk reward ratio trade of around 3.3 with a profit of around 9% and a stop loss of around 2.5 to 3. If you did want to go ahead and trade that, that could be a potential short position. Also, a long position, we could trade this bounce from down here. Again, let the market come to you. Don't chase the market. We could trade this towards the upside right there with a stop loss of around 2 to 3%. And again, this would be quite a nice trade, even a little bit nicer trade with around about 5.5, 5.4 risk reward ratio trade with around 15% upside and around about a 2 to 3% stop loss. So there are definitely trades to be made on the counter, guys, if you were interested in that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart and see exactly what's going on, because these daily candlesticks right here, I mean, look at this one right here and then look at this one right there. We can see that it's completely crazy. We went up all the way to around about just below $43,000, like 42,600, and then we came all the way back down to actually lower than where we started this pump almost from this daily candlestick anyway. Now we are seeing a little bit of a bearish side to Bitcoin in the short term. However, hopefully this level right here can hold and we do see a bounce towards the upside and potentially a break towards the upside as well. Let's take a look at some of those moving averages that we know and love. Let's bring up the 21 and the 50. So we are below actually both. We did break above the 21 right here and the 50 right there, and now we in fact have broken back down below. This of course causes a lot of downwards pressure once we are below these moving averages. And if we take a look at that 200 moving average as well, let's remove these and take a look at the 200 moving average, we can see we do still have quite a way to go. This is up at around $48,000 for the Bitcoin price. Let's take a look at this VPVR right here, and let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at some of these levels which we can expect. We can see right here the majority of the volume buying and selling pressure right here, support, is at around $33,700. So realistically, we could potentially see a fall back down into that range. That's exactly why I have this red box right here, because this is a potential great accumulation zone if we wick down into it. Also, one of the better accumulation zones if we do go to this price down this low is around $29,000. So definitely keep your eyes on those prices on the charts, guys, if you did in fact want to go ahead and enter a long-term position for Bitcoin, potentially a long position, or you just want to enter for a long-term hodl. These two positions could be good, but overall we need to see if this level of support holds before we go and push any further for the Bitcoin price. Alright guys, so I just wanted to take a quick minute to talk about Lord Token. They've recently raised over $15 million and have over 40,000 pre-registered users, and they're launching their exchange right now. Lord Token is a new French exchange that's recently been making a lot of noise in the space, and I wanted to alert your attention to it. They've recently had a cooperation with Binance Cloud as well, which is absolutely huge. So the French market has been on fire recently with crypto, and there are lots of cool and unique projects coming out of France right now. So I thought I'd take a look at today's video sponsor, Lord Token. So very few exchanges are from Europe and almost none are French. Most choose kind of Asian regulated backgrounds for these regulation purposes. Lord Token is changing the way things are done, and they're coming in hot from the French market. It's the fourth known exchange in the world to actually obtain a cooperation with Binance Cloud, which is absolutely huge, and it's very, very difficult to obtain that, guys. They'll also offer different services and features in the future, for example, spot, also ETF, dollar cost averaging as well, and an NFT marketplace, and many, many more. All these can be found in their white paper if you want to go ahead and take a look at it on their website. So now I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the exchange and the platform and show you a little bit of what it's about. So as we can see, this is their homepage right here. It looks extremely clean, and we can see exchange and the launchpad which they have. They also have apps as well, and we can see right there, powered by Binance Cloud, which is absolutely amazing. They offer pretty much most pairs which are available, and of course their own Lord Token is available to buy on their exchange and also on PancakeSwap if you wanted to go ahead and check that out. You can also go over to the exchange and see how clean the interface is. You can search by BNB, Bitcoin, alts as well. You can see they have majority of good volume on all the different trading pairs. Again, that's mainly due to the Binance Cloud Corporation, which is amazing. And yeah, we can see right here, you can change if you want to have a different pairing right there. You can go ahead and set market limit, and you can go ahead and make your account. And of course, guys, there will be a link down below in the description of today's video if you wanted to go ahead and check out Lord Token and check out the exchange as well. Also, I'd recommend go ahead and joining their Telegram group right here. We can see over 40,000 members are already in it, so you could be the next one. Thanks so much for Lord Token for sponsoring this segment of the video. Go ahead and check them out right now, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So guys, if you haven't already followed me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter right now. I'm posting the best memes, the best potential trade entry points and exit points, and also new altcoins which I am personally investing in. Go ahead and follow me, and yeah, it's a great community over there, and lots of traders and lots of great insights into the crypto market. Alright guys, so now we're going to take a little bit of a look at Ethereum and to see what is going on. A little bit like Bitcoin, Ethereum is in fact also in this kind of symmetrical triangle formation right here. And again, like Bitcoin, we do in fact have a somewhat Bart-Simpson pattern. Although not as predominant as Bitcoin was, we do still have the same kind of thing. And most coins experience this this phenomenon over the past few days. And now Ethereum looks like it's actually starting to recover a little bit better than Bitcoin. In fact, we did see the Ethereum price breaking out actually a little bit before Bitcoin, and this was kind of a precursor to think that we would see a breakout for Bitcoin, and we did see that. However, we in fact pushed towards the downside after that as well, which definitely isn't good. Overall for Ethereum though, we have a level of support down here at around $2,400 and a strong level of resistance right here at around about $2,900. Like Bitcoin, let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart and see what's going on over there. We can see pretty much the same as Bitcoin, almost the same. Let's take a look at this 21 and the 200. We can see the 21, we in fact got heavily rejected from this 21 moving average right there, and the 200 moving average is up at around $3,200. So is it a good potential time to be entering Ethereum right now? Well, yeah, I think anything below 3,000 for Ethereum definitely is a great entry price. Anything below 2,000, like we saw down here, almost 2,000 down there, is definitely an amazing entry price. However, below 3K long term, I think it's going to be pretty solid. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, nothing really too crazy to talk about. We just pumped up a little bit towards the upside, and we saw a rejection, and we're pretty much back to where we were just a few days ago. So nothing really too crazy. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if there's any coins you want me to cover. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.